If you think manufactured homes are just simple cookie-cutter houses, think again. In the past few years, some absolutely stunning models have taken home top awards for their creative designs, upscale finishes, and smart layouts that can easily compete with traditional site-built homes. And in this video, we're diving into the most impressive award-winning manufactured homes that have caught the attention of home buyers, designers, and industry experts. The Swan by Oak Creek Homes. Welcome to the Swan L52EP8 by Oak Creek Homes, a show-stopping manufactured home that redefines what compact luxury really means. With a starting price of just $195,406, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom gem offers 1,292 square feet of elegant living space. As part of Oak Creek's award-winning Smart Cottage series, the Swan blends the charm of a classic cottage with cutting-edge energy efficiency and smarter design, all wrapped in a long, slender profile inspired by its graceful namesake. Enjoy panoramic views from every room, thanks to a wall of dormer window bump-outs in both the living room and primary suite. And let's talk about that spa-inspired primary bathroom. A tile walk-in shower retreat you won't want to leave. But the Swan isn't just about looks. It's about lifestyle. You'll love the standard 8-foot covered front porch, the large kitchen island perfect for entertaining, and the customizable finishes that make this home uniquely yours. Choose from Trex decking in clamshell or saddle, and top it all off with a striking Galvalume metal roof. Or upgrade to bold colors like hunter green or Hawaiian blue. From the full tape and texture interior to HVAC ceiling vents and low E windows, every detail has been designed for comfort, style, and sustainability. Whether you go manufactured or modular, the Swan is a smart, stylish alternative to tiny home living that delivers big on space. Crane by Oak Creek Homes. Say hello to the Crane J68EP8. Oak Creek Homes' largest single-section smart cottage and an absolute game-changer for modern, efficient living. Starting at just $161,940. This Energy Star 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home delivers 1,190 square feet of comfort, style, and thoughtful design. From the moment you step onto the 8-foot covered front porch with Trex decking, you'll notice the Crane is no ordinary single-wide. Inside, the vaulted ceilings and tall window banks flood the home with natural light, while the full tape and texture finish adds a polished, high-end look. The primary suite is a retreat in itself, with double sinks, a walk-in tile shower with a massage tower, and a towering 3-door linen cabinet. But what really sets the Crane apart is its smart use of space and luxurious features without the luxury price tag. The sleek kitchen island with built-in seating, a 6-cabinet pantry, and even a gliding porch bench option prove that this home is all about flexible, stylish functionality. The secondary bathroom's washer and dryer closet makes day-to-day living even easier. Outside, choose from a range of metal roof colors, like rustic red or Hawaiian blue, to match your personal style. Whether you're dreaming of a lake escape, coastal hideaway, or your forever home, the Crane brings big cottage vibes in a perfectly compact package. The Atlantic by Excel Homes. The Atlantic by Excel Homes is a shining example of how modern modular homes have redefined what's possible in home design. Recognized with the prestigious Modular Home Design Award from the Manufactured Housing Institute in 2024, this 2-story masterpiece blends craftsmanship, functionality, and high-end aesthetics into one impressive package. At 1,176 square feet, the Atlantic is designed for those who need both space and style. With 4 spacious bedrooms and 5 beautifully designed bathrooms, it's a perfect fit for larger families or anyone who enjoys having extra room to spread out. The open concept layout creates a seamless flow between the family room, dining area, and kitchen, making everyday living and entertaining effortless. This home is all about bringing people together in a space that feels warm, inviting, and thoughtfully curated. The Atlantic doesn't just look stunning on the inside. It makes a statement from the moment you see it. Its exterior has a timeless charm, with classic architectural details that ensure it never goes out of style. A site-built, 2-car attached garage blends seamlessly with the structure, while multiple gables add dimension and curb appeal. And let's not forget the covered front porch, an inviting space where you can sip your morning coffee or unwind in the evening while taking in the fresh air. With its carefully crafted exterior, the Atlantic could easily be mistaken for a high-end, site-built home, proving just how far modular construction has come in both aesthetics and quality. Step inside, and the heart of the home, the kitchen, immediately grabs your attention. Designed to be both functional and beautiful, this space features crisp white cabinetry that brightens the entire room, a bold navy blue island that adds a splash of character, and sleek stainless steel appliances that bring in a modern touch. The gray hexagon backsplash ties everything together, offering a subtle yet sophisticated pattern that complements the overall design. With plenty of storage and high-end finishes, this kitchen is a dream for anyone who loves to cook, entertain, or simply enjoy a stylish, well-designed space. Moving through the home, you'll notice that every room is crafted with both comfort and elegance in mind. The living and dining areas are flooded with natural light, creating a warm and welcoming ambience. A cozy fireplace serves as a focal point, perfect for curling up on a chilly evening with a good book or spending quality time with family. Every detail, from the clean architectural lines to the brass gold accents and modern light fixtures, adds a touch of sophistication without feeling overdone. Upstairs, the bedrooms continue the theme of relaxed luxury. The primary bedroom is painted in a soft, tranquil blue, reinforcing the home's subtle nautical inspiration. Spacious and serene, it offers a peaceful retreat from the busyness of daily life. The additional bedrooms are equally well designed, offering plenty of space for kids, guests, or even a home office. And the bathrooms, they feel straight out of a high-end spa, with soft gray cabinetry, glass shower doors, and elegant trifold mirrors that make getting ready each morning a delight. But one of the true hidden gems of the Atlantic is its attic space, an unexpected added bonus that adds even more versatility to the home. Whether transformed into a cozy reading nook, a playroom, or a secondary lounge area, this space offers endless possibilities. A charming seating area near the window makes it the perfect spot to relax with a cup of tea while soaking in the natural light. From top to bottom, the Atlantic by Excel Homes is a masterclass in modern modular design. With its impeccable craftsmanship, stylish finishes, and a perfect balance of beauty and functionality, this award-winning home proves that modular living doesn't mean compromising on quality. Instead, it offers families a smarter, more efficient way to own a home that is both stunning and built to last. Auburn Aire by Adventure Homes. Welcome you all to the Auburn Aire, a true standout in the Mojave sectional home series where spacious design meets modern comfort in the most seamless way. Spanning an impressive 2,040 square feet, this home isn't just about having room to stretch out. It's about redefining what functional luxury really means. With 3 generously sized bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, this model is a perfect fit for families, couples who love extra space, or even individuals who appreciate a home that feels both expansive and inviting. Measuring 32 feet wide by 68 feet long, every inch of the Auburn Aire is thoughtfully designed to maximize livability while maintaining a warm, welcoming atmosphere. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by an open-concept floor plan that flows effortlessly from one space to the next. The living room, dining area, and kitchen are all connected, creating a bright and airy environment that's perfect for hosting gatherings or simply unwinding after a long day. Sunlight streams through large windows, enhancing the sense of space and warmth, while modern finishes add a touch of sophistication. And let's talk about the kitchen. It's not just a place to cook, it's a statement piece. With sleek high-end appliances, plenty of counter space, and abundant storage, this kitchen is designed for both practicality and style. At the heart of it all, a large island invites casual meals, morning coffee conversations, or late-night snack sessions. But the real showstopper? The master suite, a private retreat that offers the perfect balance of comfort and elegance. With enough space for a king-sized bed, cozy reading nook, and additional furniture, this room is designed for ultimate relaxation. The in-suite bathroom is nothing short of a spa-inspired oasis, featuring dual sinks, a luxurious soaking tub, and a separate walk-in shower that feels like a personal sanctuary. The 2 additional bedrooms are anything but an afterthought, spacious, versatile, and ready to be transformed into anything from guest quarters to a home office. And with a second full bathroom plus an extra half bath, convenience is never in short supply, whether you're hosting guests or managing a busy household. The Auburn Aire isn't just about aesthetics. It's about smart, practical living, designed for modern homeowners who want both style and substance. It blends thoughtful craftsmanship with high-end finishes, ensuring that every detail enhances everyday life. Whether you're looking for a forever home, a weekend retreat, or simply a place where comfort and style meet effortlessly, the Auburn Aire delivers. Spacious, stylish, and built for the way you live. This is more than just a manufactured home. It's a home designed for real living. Farmstead by Adventure Homes. And here comes Farmstead, a beautifully designed home from the Mojave Single Series that brings together comfort, style, and smart living. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms spread across 1,178 square feet, this home is perfect for families, couples, or anyone who loves having a little extra space. Whether you need a guest room, a home office, or a cozy retreat, the Farmstead has you covered. Its 16-foot by 76-foot layout is designed for both efficiency and openness, creating a bright, airy feel throughout. The open concept living area allows natural light to flow freely, making the space feel even larger. The kitchen is a dream, packed with modern appliances, generous counter space, and plenty of storage, perfect for everything from quick breakfasts to gourmet dinners. The primary suite is a private escape, complete with its own attached bathroom for ultimate convenience. The 2 additional bedrooms are just as versatile, ideal for kids, guests, or a dedicated workspace. And with a second bathroom, there's no need to worry about sharing during busy mornings. The Farmstead isn't just a house. It's a thoughtfully designed home that blends affordability with modern living. Whether you place it in a quiet countryside, a bustling neighborhood, or a welcoming mobile home community, this model delivers style, comfort, and functionality in one perfect package. Grand by Clayton Homes. Introducing a thoughtfully designed 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that perfectly balances space, comfort, and flexibility. With 1,038 square feet of cozy yet functional living space, this 72-foot-long, 14-foot-wide home is crafted to suit a variety of lifestyles, whether you're a growing family, a couple looking for extra space, or someone who loves the idea of a well-organized, stylish home. Every inch of this home is designed with customization in mind. From the open concept living area that invites connection to the upgraded fixtures that add a touch of elegance, you have the freedom to create a space that truly reflects your style. Want energy-efficient appliances for modern convenience? Prefer upgraded flooring or premium countertops for a more polished look? The possibilities are nearly endless. While the base model provides a solid foundation with quality craftsmanship and a well-planned layout, the real beauty lies in the upgrades. Think expanded storage solutions for added functionality or stylish design elements that make the space feel uniquely yours. And when it comes to affordability, this home offers a smart starting price, but keep in mind that optional features, upgrades, and installation costs will shape the final investment. More than just a house, this is a home designed around your needs, offering the perfect blend of comfort, style, and everyday practicality. Summit by Champion Homes. Welcome to the Summit, a beautifully designed single-section home that proves great things come in smaller packages. With 1,013 square feet of thoughtfully planned space, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is perfect for a small family, a couple craving extra room, or even a solo homeowner who loves the idea of a guest room or home office. Step inside, and you're greeted by a bright, open-concept living area that flows effortlessly into the kitchen and dining space. Whether you're hosting friends, keeping an eye on the kids, or just enjoying a quiet evening, this setup keeps everything connected. The kitchen is both stylish and practical, featuring modern appliances, ample counter space, and plenty of cabinets to keep things neat and tidy. Whether you're a master chef or more of a microwave enthusiast, this kitchen is built to suit your lifestyle. The primary suite is a true retreat, offering a spacious bedroom and an attached en-suite bathroom for a little extra privacy and relaxation. The 2 additional bedrooms are just as versatile, ideal for kids, guests, or even that dream home office you've been wanting. A second full bathroom ensures that everyone has space to get ready without the morning rush. And let's not forget the dedicated utility room, because having a separate space for laundry and storage makes a world of difference in keeping your home organized. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Would you ever live in a manufactured home like these, or do you already have a favorite? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more incredible home tours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.